Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to track your job application status on Workday, and to do so it's very easy, so let's get straight into it. Now, of course, this will require you to apply for some jobs in Workday in order to track your job application. So let's go to Google and then type Workday application status. Okay, now once you have typed Workday application status, you will find this link here, careers at Workday, so you need to open it. Yeah, you need to verify the link. It's workday.wd5.myworkdayjobs slash workday, right? So here you will find this button which says candidate home. So click on it once, and here you will find your applications. So here, for this example, I applied for manager software development engineering. So as you can see here, my application status, it's in review. So while it's in review, it means that the Workday team has not still reviewed my application. They're still just looking at it, but they haven't decided if I go to the next stage or not. And if you're wondering what is the next stage, I will show you right now. Okay, so as you can see here, there are a lot of statuses like in progress, under consideration, for future consideration, interviewing, etc. I advise you to visit this website, suretysystems.com slash insight slash understanding workday job application status, meaning I didn't have to do anything really. I just needed to click on workday job application status and then search for the surety system website. So here, if I scroll down a bit, it will explain to you further what is in progress, what does it mean, under consideration, for future consideration, rejected offer, etc. So yeah, that's it. That's as easy as it gets. Now, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.